Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is problems in entities or attributes. There are four major types of problems that we can face in entities or attributes. First one is synonym, second one is homonym, third one is redundancy, and fourth is mutual exclusiveness of data. Synonym. A synonym problem is created when two different names are used for the same information. If an attribute exists in more than one entity or relation, then the name of attribute must be same in all entities or relations. For example, here we can see that we have two tables, item and supplier. In item table or relation, we have attributes, stock number, item color, and supplier code. And in supplier relation, we have supplier ID and supplier name. Here, supplier code and supplier ID are both represent the same information but with different name. This problem is known as synonym problem. Homonym. A homonym problem is created when same name is used for different attributes. Company name attributes is used in both relation. It may create confusion. It may also create many problems in maintaining data in database. For example, here we have two tables, customer and supplier. In customer table, we have customer ID and company name as attributes of the relation, and in supplier relation, we have two attributes, supplier ID and company name. Here, two attributes, company name, in two different relations represents different information but have same name. This problem is known as homonym problem. Redundant information. Redundant means unneeded or unnecessary. It refers to duplication of data. This type of problem is created when same information is unnecessarily stored in two different ways or form. The attribute employee age and employee date of birth store the same type of information. There is no need of employee age attribute. The age of employee can be calculated from the value of employee date of birth. So employee age attribute is creating redundancy in the relation. As you can see in this employee relation, we have employee ID, employee name, employee age and employee date of birth attributes, and employee age attribute is having redundancy because age of the employee can be calculated from employee date of birth. Mutually exclusive data. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. Mutually exclusive data problem is created when the values of attribute are stored as true or false. Sometimes two or more such attributes cannot be true or false at the same time. For example, in this employee relation, employee ID, employee name, employee married and employee single, these are the attributes of employee relation. The data type of attribute employee married and employee single are of Boolean data type, yes, no form. If both of these attributes are set to be true for a specific record, then it may create confusion. It is because a person cannot be married and single at the same time. This type of error can be resolved by combining both these two attributes into one attribute. So, in the employee relation, these two attributes should be combined into a single attribute of marital status. The value of this attribute should be either M or S, M for married and S for single. So in today's lecture, we have discussed different problems in entity or attributes. There are four main problems in entity or attributes: mutually exclusive data, redundant information, synonym and homonym problem. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.